Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee in a coffee maker. Start by rinsing the carafe and filter basket, then measure fresh, cold water to the machine's fill line. Grind beans to a medium setting, then add the correct scoop per cup. Use a paper or reusable filter, level the grounds, and close the lid. Turn the machine on and wait for the cycle to finish before pouring your first cup for the best flavor. In this video, I will show how to make coffee in a coffee maker. Measure coffee precisely using tablespoons or a scale, aiming for about 1 rounded tablespoon per 6 ounces of water. Adjust based on taste, and prefer weighing at 15 grams per 8 ounces for consistency. Grind beans just before brewing to lock in oils and aroma. Store beans in an airtight container away from light and heat to keep them fresh between uses. In this video, I will show how to make coffee in a coffee maker. Pre-wet paper filters and rinse the carafe to avoid papery off tastes and stabilize temperature. Use filtered water when possible to prevent mineral or chlorine interference with extraction. After brewing, let the coffee sit for a moment so flavors bloom and settle, then pour gently to avoid bitterness from overagitation. Adjust grind and dose next, brew based on taste preferences and machine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.